Welcome back, guys. We are playing Subway Surfers, and it's just loading right now. So, yeah. By the way, guys, happy 4th of July. So, it's just loading some more. Let's see how far I can get on this. Whoop, the music. Okay, sorry about that. I just wasn't working. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into here since I have some keys. And I'm going to go into here. I'm going to collect a reward. 3 keys, amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in the menu and then play. Sorry about that. And then play the Subway Surf. Sorry about the lag, guys. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, and then we're going to jump, slide up, up, down, 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 over. Boots. I got the soup boots. And go over here, go over here, go over here, go over here. Oh god, the train. Double points. Whoops. I just died. Okay, well. Level up 1 Spikey's guitar here. Amazing. Got 7. Okay. Now I'm going to go into mystery box. Bye. Got 2 rewards. Amazing. Got 233 coins. Amazing. 274 coins. Amazing. More coins. 500 coins. Amazing. 1 Freshies Zero. Not amazing. Not amazing. Not amazing. Not amazing. No, okay, I only have 12 coins left. Okay. Okay, let's play one more time and then I'm gonna end the deal. Hey. Yes! That's surprising. I never got one of those. And it's ending. Just do a quick roll around just for fun. And guys, if you don't know what, well, can't say that anymore. Okay guys, that was it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Have a happy 4th of July and a terrific Tuesday. See you later.